Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to give copyright credit to music on YouTube. Let's get started. Go to YouTube Studio while uploading your video or editing an existing one. If you are using background music in your video, especially from platforms like no copyright sounds or similar sources, you need to give proper credit to avoid copyright issues. For example, if you've used a track from no copyright sounds or any other copyright-free music provider, open the YouTube video of the music you used. You will usually find a section that says something like, when using this track, please add the following to your description. Under the description of that music video, you'll see the track name, the artist name, and a free download or stream link. It will look something like this: music provided by track name, by artist name, free download, or stream link. Select the text, right-click on it, and choose Copy. Now go back to YouTube Studio and open the Video Details page where you are uploading or editing your video. Scroll down to the description section and make some space to add the credit. Paste the copied text into your description. You can also add a heading like Music Credits above the pasted text to make it clear. If the music doesn't provide a pre-written credit like this, you can still give credit by adding the YouTube link or the music download link directly in your description. You can type something like music name, music link. After adding the credit information, make sure to save or publish your video with the proper credits. That's how you can give copyright credit to music on YouTube in just a few easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.